Now students, we are going to study the last step of Meiosis 1, that is Cytokinensis 1. The cytokinesis 1 or 2 or cytokinesis of mitosis, it is almost same. The only difference is of plant cell and animal cell, whether it's taking place in plant cell or animal cell. It is exactly same like mitosis, cytokinesis. So I will just repeat once again what exactly happened in cytokinesis of mitosis. And the same thing is over here. So as a revision, I am repeating it. In case of animal cell and plant cell, now this is a diagram of telophase of animal cell. In this you can see the constriction structure formed. It is called as furrow. Now observe it carefully. If you see, the furrows are formed from border to center, and the border is called as periphery. So formation of furrows started from border and met at the point in the center. So gradually this furrow comes in and finally the two cells are formed. So in case of animal cell, furrow formation takes place. Now what happens in case of plant cell? In case of plant cell, similarly the structure is formed for the cell division. But the structure is not furrow, it is something else. I will show it over here. This is an animal cell. Now this is a plant cell. Assume the nucleus is already divided. Now it is a telophase. So in case of telophase, from the center, the structure starts getting formed and it moves towards periphery from both this side, and the structure is called as cell plate. So like animal cell, in cytokinesis of plant cell, which structure is formed? Cell plate. The direction of formation of furrow is from periphery to center, and in case of cell plate, it is from center to periphery. So with this we completed Meiosis 1 and also we completed Cytokinesis 1. Thank you very much students.